The best one, in my opinion, out of everything I've tested is this right here. It's called Amber d'Orient, and it smells very, very close to Maison Francis Courtisan Satin Oud Mood. And it's a spicy rose scent. And 6 days ago, I put it on this paper, and it smells as if I put it on there yesterday or something like that. And on my skin, I tried it at 7 p.m. and when I woke up at 7 a.m. it was still on there. I had to shower, so I can probably say confidently this is a beast mode, eternally lasting fragrance with the spicy rose oriental style notes. The next one's for the ladies. It's called La Pearl Pink. It's got the same exact fruit notes and same exact notes as this J'adore. Now this company ANFAR started in 1950s India, and you might see a video on YouTube because I looked it up of the store. They're like in Dubai and they were testing fragrances, and they're very clever because everything says oud on it, but everything actually smells famous. And I'm going to show you another one. This is called Rituals of ANFAR. It's one of their more expensive ones. What a beautiful bottle. The sprayer comes out like this. And when you smell it, it reminds me of this Good Girl shoe here. But really, when the note breakdown, it doesn't have that caramely type smell of this. The note breakdown of this is the exact same smell of Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. It's called Rituals. It comes in a beautiful box display. All these bottles are heavy and they have high quality sprayers. The next one I was gonna disregard, and I just opened it like this. It's called Platinum Shade by ANFAR, and they can smell it right away. It smells pineapple. Right away I knew it smelled like Creta Ventus, and so I sprayed it, and it projects like a beast for an hour, like crazy, stuck in your nose type fragrance. What a great, I mean, the pineapple is so juicy and delicious on the opening of this Platinum Shade. Needs more testing. I cannot tell you the longevity, but it's at least 5 hours for sure. But that first hour projection was beast. Love this one. I mean, that pineapple smells so good. Then I found this one, which is called La Pearl. And now the notes of this remind me of Versace Eros because it's got lemon mint on the top. It's kind of hard to find the notes for all these ANFAR fragrances. It's funny, you got Armav, Afnan, and now ANFAR. I believe that this company will be blowing up 2023, 2024. Right now, you're getting a first look. They just landed US distribution, probably back in February or something, and I overlooked them because it's just, anyway. La Pearl smells just like Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum, a little bit like Eau de Toilette. I've got the Chanel here and the La Pearl here. They're both, it's like identical in the dry down. It's a new version, and it does last 8 hours. I did test this one. Here we have this one, Oud H Salab. See, a perfect example. Oud H Salab makes you think of, you're going to be having a strong oud fragrance, doesn't it? It does. Well, anyway, it's the exact same notes and smell of Chanel No. 5. The next fragrance is called Masterpiece, and it's called The Masterpiece. It comes like this, and this one has leather and citruses, and it reminds, look at the sprayer, pressurized sprayer. It's nice and masculine, and it's got patchouli and lots of depth and darkness in it, and it's so long lasting, and it reminds me of Mancera Black Gold. Though these are the best that I found from her. They do have a lot of other ones, but for the purpose of you, the viewer, all you guys from Texas, Los Angeles, California, New York, South Carolina, North Carolina, Chicago, and all everywhere else, because I know what you like. You like stuff that smells expensive, that's more mass appealing. Some of their other stuff is very, very complex oud fragrances, and too complex for me to even dive into, and I couldn't compare it with anything, so I didn't show you. But I do have to tell you, I just found this is off subject, and this is not sponsored, but it's called Meyer's Clean Day, and I got honeysuckle flavor. It's for laundry detergent. Has anyone ever told you, you got it, if you're into fragrances, you might as well smell good like laundry detergent? It smells like honeysuckle. It's all natural. Highly recommended. I'll put the link down below. It's like $12. And here's another funny thing. The very best house spray for your house is called Febreze Air. It actually has amber oud and cedar in it. Oh my God, you know what this smells like for $3.97? Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. And speaking of Tom Ford Ombre Leather, you can get that smell exactly by finding this fragrance called Rare Carbon. If you like this video, watch this and this one next. I love you guys. Peace.